How you guys doing today? How is everything? Hope you guys are fine. Okay, so our last discussion we discussed about jump 25, and unfortunately we were taken out of the market for reasons best known to the market. And I've been trying to understand why this market actually took us out. Well, I think this might be the case. This trend line might be the case, but might be the reason why the market took us out. So, I've been thinking since yesterday because market took us out yesterday. The market was supposed to retest this level here, around here. Market was supposed to retest here. So the market got there, it gave us a flower pin bar and freaked us out. Yeah. So the mistake I made, because obviously whenever you have a loss, the market is not taking the blame. You get the market is not taking the blame. You as the trader, you're the one taking the blame. So what I was supposed to do actually was this. I was supposed to wait for a break of trend line on a lower time frame, which I did not, and that was my mistake. So let's go to 15 minutes. I was supposed to wait for something like this. I actually drew the trend line yesterday, but the fact that the market has given us a 4-hour close of trend is what a 4 hours close of candle is what is. So I ought to have entered. Let me clear this one. The chart is looking so messy. I ought to have entered this particular trade around here, but not so fast because we just took a loss. So we need to calm down and study the market properly. And the reason why I did not re-enter the market was because of this candlestick, this 4-hour candlestick. Is it 4 hours? Yes, because of this rejection candle to the upside. So I was waiting for a candle like this. Do you understand? I was waiting for a candle like this. So by that, since the market already broken a lower time frame trend line, I can now put my zone around here. I'm coming. I can now put my zone around here after this pressure candle has been formed. So if I put my zone around here, I will now be waiting for a bounce back, a retest to to somewhere here, a retest to this level here. Yeah, this level. Sorry, I have better. So I'll be waiting for a retest on that level. So I'll wait for a 15 minutes rejection up to that level, up to this level. Then once we've gotten there, the market is still trying to play us, but I will wait for the market to actually retest that level. So obviously let me try and move it back, because 4-hour time frame is what actually does the trick. You understand? So 4-hour time frame is actually what does the trick. So we'll put the zone here, and let's just wait for the market to get there. This time around, obviously it's going to get there because it has given us this was what I was supposed to wait for yesterday, but I was too confident. That's what overconfidence can do to you. Yeah. So I didn't panic, so because it's one of those things. So we'll wait for this candle to close, to get to this zone and give us a confirmation that it's coming down by giving us a rejection candle on this zone, right? So that's what we're waiting for presently. So another one I want us to actually check is let me see if I can, if it's not here, jump 10. Yeah, jump 10. I think it's there already. Yeah, jump 10 is there already. So this is jump 10. This is jump 10. I'm actually waiting for this market to, I'm waiting for something like this. Okay, so here is the 4 candle, 4 hour time frame. So we have something like this, right? This is jump 100. Just saying, we need jump 10, jump 10. Jump 10. Okay, sorry, just adding it. Okay, exactly, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, so here we have this candle, and obviously the way I do my own analysis, you must check the direction of the market before, because no strategy works. I don't think any strategy works. I can't say, but the one I use, the strategies I use, it doesn't work when you are trading against the trend. It will not give you 100% accuracy. Not like any strategy gives you 100% accuracy though, but the what you expect of the market, what you expect of the strategy won't be that effective. So you need to confirm that market is truly trending, and from there we can scale up. So yeah, this is the second level. So now these are daily time frame. Then let's scale down to 4 hour time frame. What do we do on 4 hour time frame? You draw your trend line, do your trend line like so, like this. So it has broken your trend line, and you're expecting the market. Let's get rid of this. We don't need it for now. So I'm actually expecting the market to come somewhere here. I'm coming. Let me just establish this zone here. So I'm actually waiting for this market to come to this place. Then when the market comes to this place, then I can now scale down. Yeah, you can see. So I'll come down to for 15-minute time frame for us not to make the same mistake that we made on jump 25. We're going to correct this as soon as we can. So what we'll do here is we'll establish another trend line for 15 minutes time frame, because that is where I usually like to take my trades. So this is the trend line. So I'm waiting for this market to get to this point, get to this green zone, market to get to this green zone. After it has got to this green zone, then I want to see a breakout of this. I want to see a breakout of this trend, then a retest. Then these are our first level targets. Obviously I'm going to take our profit out of this market, like our profits of this first TP. Then from here you can scale up. So in case the market wants to manipulate, they are like what it did, because every stop loss you hit, you must use it to your advantage. Don't just get discouraged, and no, you must use your advantage in the sense that be able to you must be able to realize, or you must be able to know the cause of the SL, because of the SL. Like I said, the market is always right. Whenever you hit SL, just know that you're the one that is wrong. You know, you are the wrong person here. You are the one that is wrong. So always try to realize your mistake. Try to wait for confirmations. If at this point now the market takes me out, I will know that okay, that's what the market wants to do. But I'm pretty sure that by the time the market breaks this trend line, it's telling us that I want to come down, and for that it will surely get to this 100% retracement level, which is here, before it will start going back down to get to this 4 hour, TP here. So for now we are still waiting for this market. So I'm presently looking at jump 10 and jump 25 for something really nice, you know. So this is it. We are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. Everything is all about waiting. Yeah, we're expecting the market to give us this, you know. Be used to yourself giving the market conditions, and let the market meet your conditions. Don't wait until the market is giving you conditions. Don't give the market conditions and let the market, you know, obey you. You understand? So from here now I'll be able to take it up, you know. First thing you check the overall trend, be sure that the market is coming down, and at least to some extent this bearish will I call it engulfing candle, no, not engulfing candle, tweezer top, is enough reason for us to, you know, tell us that the market is pushing downward. I can see the market still have a long way to go. This is daily time frame. Yeah, so let's wait. Let's check jump 25 again. Whatever the market is doing, I will never be lured into this trade. Never will I be lured into this trade. I will surely wait. Yeah, I will surely wait, because the market has a way of luring someone into, you know, fear of missing out. You might be thinking that this market has gone, I need to enter it as soon as possible. Don't be trapped like that. Don't be trapped like that. You can see the market is pushing back up. Don't be trapped. Just wait, right? Just wait. All right, guys. See you guys next time. It's nice seeing you again. It's nice seeing you again. Yeah. So, all right. Till we meet again. Peace out.